Go.
Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to make a paper tear flower today. You might need your mom and dad to help you, but you might not, or your grandmother or whoever is taking care of you during the day. But this is going to be really easy. We just need to start with some markers, and you will need some glue stick and some scratch paper. I just happen to have orange paper, so I'm gonna have an orange flower with my orange paper. If you don't have any colored paper, you can make colored paper by just taking a marker or a crayon and coloring it whatever color you want. So if I had a red marker or a red crayon, I could just color it and let that be my colored paper. So you don't really need to have much of anything at home. So if you don't have a marker, you can even use a crayon. Doesn't matter. All right, so the first thing you need to do is draw a flower, and I'm going to have my camera person go ahead and come behind me so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to take I'm going to start with some grass down at the bottom of my paper, and then I'm going to make a flower stem. So it's going to start at the top and go down, and then I'm going to put a leaf on this side and a leaf on this side. I'm going to go ahead and color in my leaf. Then I will make the iris. I'm going to use a different color. I think I'll use red. The center of the flower is called the iris, so I'm going to make that center, and then I'm going to make some petals. Big petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, those are kind of silly, but petals aren't always the same size anyway. So then we're going to tear up some paper. So I'm going to take long strips of my colored paper. And then I'm going to break them up into tiny little pieces. This is so good for your hands. It makes your hands strong. And I'm just going to do a few because you can see what it looks like in the end. So after you've torn up a bunch, then you're going to take some glue and you're going to fill in a section of your flower with glue. I'm going to put my cap on so it doesn't dry out. And then I'm going to stick little pieces onto my flower. Like so. And you can even count while you're putting it down. I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, it likes to stick. 6, 7, 8, 9. And when you need more paper, you just start tearing. Tear, tear, tear. Use those hands, really tear them up into tiny pieces. And then you keep sticking up, push it until it's all full. Then all of your petals are full. And then when you're finished, you have the flower. And that's it. That's how you make a paper tear flower.